Hi, Mike here with the Doctor's Toy Store, and today's subject is about venereal warts, okay? And the problem is with warts is that you have to either freeze them off. A lot of doctors freeze them off, which is not as very good as burning them off is what I'm going to show you right now, because you'll have to burn it off because it can turn into a cancer, okay? And right now I'm using an Ellman Surgitron, okay? This uses radio frequency to absolutely burn off the excess wart, and it works like a charm. The beauty about the Ellman is because it does not have a lot of heat. Yeah, you see a lot of smoke, but that's because the tissue is actually vaporizing because of the high frequency of the Ellman. And the last one is, well, first they freeze it off, they could try to burn it off. I know some doctors that they'll just try to bite it off, okay? So give us a call today at 877 DRS-TOYS.